Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue Truck has a delivery job to do. Toads trees. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left, what very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. With presents for Toad and Blue under the tree.